Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, you are muted.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Saklain. What happened, Saklain? Again, your video off. Yeah, all of you have joined. Then please switch on your videos, please. Okay, Abdullah. Okay. Okay. No mic. Okay, fine. Okay, you can use chat. Webcam is also not there. Fine. If you have any problem, just write in chat. Okay, Saklain? Okay. Yeah. Okay, if you have any problem, just write in chat. Huh? If somebody sees is any doubt is there, just write in chat. Okay, Safia, Amina, Muneem, please switch on. Okay, Safia, you're not there yet. Okay, so till the time everyone comes, I have given you homework for this decimal exercise 3.3. I have sent the picture to Abdullah. You can do it.
Which exercise you said?
Exercise 3.3.
3.3.
It is greater and smaller decimals. So
How
that
did you post it on Google Classroom, ma'am? Because I don't have the book.
the picture, you can write the answer and hand in. Okay, everyone can hand in on Google Classroom only. You can check it, Abdullah. Have you received or not? Okay, you got it. Okay, fine. So I'm not doing this exercise 3.3 because we have the smaller or greater number. All of you know how to do it. If you face problem, we can solve it in the class. Okay. You can do exercise 3.1 also. That is very simple exercise. But for now, you do 3.3. If you get time, then you complete 3.1. Okay. Amina, you have not sent me the previous assignment also.
Ma'am,
I've sent it.
No, I have not received it yet. You have sent it?
Yes, ma'am, I sent. I sent on Friday itself.
Okay, I not received it. Okay, once again, I'll check later.
ma'am,
Yeah, yeah, Abdullah.
I didn't get the question 1 and 2. It's from question 3.
2 pages are there. The 1 and 2
Yes.
both 2 pages are there. So second page is 1 and 2. First page is, see, second page went first and first page later.
Ma'am, I have done that exercise in my rough book.
Ah.
Exercise 3.3.
3.3, just click the picture and send it. Okay? Fine?
Exercise 3.3.
Yes, exercise 3.3. If you have done it already, then do 3.1, Muni. Okay?
I have done that also.
Okay, you have done very good.
I've done 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3.
Okay, now we'll be starting with our slide. Okay, I gave you homework last time from the slide only, last 2 questions. Do you remember it? The last 2 questions anybody has done? You have written in your notebook also. We have done till here. Decimal. I think this was your homework. Just check your notebook. You're using the same notebook, right, Muneeb? Which question I gave you as homework?
Ma'am, you gave us 11 and 12.
11 and 12, now. Have you found the answer? If not, then find it now and give me the answer right now. 1 upon 1, 1, 1. What is the answer? All of you solve it. 1 upon 1, 1, 1. You know how to solve it. This was homework, so I'm not doing it here.
You gave all the 4, 9, 10, 11, 12.
9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Okay. So first one is, what is first one? First find out ninth one. 27 by 125.
Ma'am, 9th we did it in class only.
We have done.
You gave us only 12.
Yes.
Ma'am, will it be 0.27?
No, ma'am, you gave us 4 questions, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I have written it also in notebook 4 questions of homework.
Okay. So have you completed it?
Ma'am, I have done the homework.
What is the answer? Humaira, what did you get? I gave you the answer also. What is the answer? Yeah, Humaira, what is your answer? Tell me. This one, 427 by 125. What is the answer?
Ma'am, answer is 4.216.
Okay.
Ma'am, but it's repeated division method.
Repeated division. Okay, let me check it. Okay, I have got the answers also. Check your answer. I'm giving you the answer.
Now, what if the answers are wrong?
You have to solve it, Safia. Solve it and check the answer. I'll be giving you answer over here. I don't get, whenever I check this
Ma'am,
annotation part.
ma'am, 7 upon 20 is 0.35.
Yes, 0.35. This one is 4.216. Okay, Humaira, what did you get? For 27 by 125 is 0.216 and then put a 4 as whole number. For 1 upon 111 is a repeated number. This is a recurring or
0.00900 and it's
0.009 and then 009 gets repeated. If you want me to solve any question, you can ask me. Anyone wants to solve here?
Ma'am, I do not remember how to solve mixed fraction into decimals.
Mixed into decimal, you don't know? You don't have to. Okay, I'll explain you how to solve it. But still here, you don't have to solve it into improper. Here what you will do, 4 keep as it is. Make 27 by 125 into decimal form. What are you getting in decimal? Do you want me to do? Okay, I'm doing it. 27 and then you divide it by 125. Okay, 125 divide over here. So point I will put because you will get 27 is lesser than this thing. Then it will go by 125 twos-a. How much? 125 twos-a is how much, Humaira? 250, right?
50.
So it is 250. So 250, 270 minus 250 is 20. And now I'll put a 0. Is it clear, Munib, how I am doing it? Now 125.
Ma'am, I did not get how you find it.
This is the question. I'm doing this question, 27 upon 125. I'm just finding only right now, Amina. See, so first 0 I'm putting and put a decimal. Then 2-a it will go, simple division, 125 2-a, 250. Then 20 remainder, you put one more 0. And then how many times it will go? It will go by 1 time only because 2 time is 250. So 125. What is the answer now? 200 minus 125 is how much? 75. And then again I'll put a 0. 125, how many times it goes? 6 times is, now you'll get a remainder, this thing, 0. Okay. So what did you get, Munib? 0.216. So 27 by 125 is 0.216 and 4 is a whole number. So just you don't need to do it. 4.216 will be the answer. Is it clear, Munib? Is it clear, Munib? Munib, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Yeah. Okay. So this question. Okay. Yes, Akleen, what is the confusion? How did you get 6? Multiply 125 into 6. 125 into 6, how much is it? You will get that. Okay. Okay, next one. This annotation part is getting very difficult for me. Mouse. Okay, 7 by 20 is 0.35. This one you want me to do 1 upon 111. Anyone has solved the answer? Have you got this 0.009? Abdullah,
Yes,
have you
yes
solved
ma'am.
it?
Ma'am, 0.009, ma'am, then after 1, it is recurring, ma'am.
Yes. And 1 upon 125 is 0.008. You multiply by 8 also, you'll get 1000. So you just 8 upon 1000, you'll get the answer. Okay, next is this we have done in the previous class, write each as a fraction. Okay, Munib, you didn't remember how to convert mixed into improper fraction, right? So if you're
Ma'am, I didn't remember how to convert mixed fraction into decimal form.
mixed into decimal. So I told you now, whole number keep as it is, and the fraction part you have to find it into decimal. Okay.
And I remember how to do mixed into improper.
Ma'am, 200 minus 125, 75, right?
Yes. Okay. So first question.
Answer is
Do
4.21.
you remember 2.2? What will be the answer? 2.2. How will you convert it into fraction?
22 upon 10.
Lowest form. Lowest form is?
It will be
22.
11 upon 5.
Yeah.
It is 11 upon 5. So 11. Upon 5.
Ma'am, I make you the host.
Let it be. I don't need now right now.
Or should I?
Things are there na. I'm just getting confused. So many things on my window. And then chat is also there na. So I have to see.
Ma'am, what is the second question?
Okay, second question is, it is gone. No, it is gone. Somebody annotated or what? How it went? 0.08. Second question is,
8 upon 100. 8 upon 100.
you have to find it in lowest form.
4 upon 50. No.
8
Now,
upon,
what is the
It will
answer
be 2
for the
upon
second
25.
question?
2 upon 25.
Ma'am,
find
what
out.
is the answer for the second question?
Find
2
it
upon
out.
25, ma'am.
It is how much?
1 is to
8.
111.
It will be 8 upon 100, right? So 4 say it will go. 4 2s are 20. 4 2s are 8, and again 4 25s are 100. So 2 by 25 is the answer. 2 by 25. Okay. Then 1.76 into fraction. How will you write?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what was the answer for 1 is to 111?
0.009, I think. 1.76. How will you do? Keep it in mixed fraction.
And 44 upon 25.
And find
44
the
upon 25.
76 upon 100. How much you are getting? 2 3s are 6. Lowest form. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. And 0. Then 25. Niche mein. And then you have 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. So answer is 119 by 25. Okay. 119 by 25. I have written it in mixed fraction. Check it. Abdullah, are you getting the same answer? 40, 25 ones are 25 plus 19. How much is it?
1.76 का है.
Yes, it is correct answer. 44 upon 25. You need to change it into mixed fraction. Okay. So no need to convert it. Just leave 1 as it is and convert 76 by 100 into lowest form. Now what is it? 0.7 bar. So this you cannot do.
It is a recurring, ma'am.
It's a recurring. So don't do this. This I have not taught you the recurring number. Next one.
Question 23, ma'am, we cannot see. And 14 also.
And I can see the 17 when I can't understand what numbers are written.
Someone is annotated, I think.
Someone has annotated. Okay, I'll just. Now you can see.
Yes.
0.7 bar, you leave it. 0.005. What is the answer?
5 upon 1000.
5 upon 1000 is in lowest form. How much you'll get? 5 upon
Two.
One. 1 upon you'll get. 1 upon 200.
Ma'am, what?
1
20
upon 200, ma'am.
Yes, 1 upon 200. Correct.
Ma'am, which one after 1.76, which one did we do?
We did 23. This one 0.
What is the answer?
This is repeating number. So I have not taught you repeating right now. So there is a different method to solve for repeating method. Okay. So we are not doing 19 and 20.
So ma'am, you will teach us today.
Not today. Later on.
Now, what's the answer for
Okay, ma'am.
23?
This is how much? 1 upon 200. Okay. 1.6. 1.6. How will you do? Amina, are
8
you?
upon 5.
1.6 is how much?
8 upon 5.
It will be 16 upon 10. 16 upon 10. Lowest form will
8 upon
3
5.
upon 5.
8 upon 5. Yes. 2 8.
Ma'am, 8 upon 5.
Yes. What is 0.27? Amina,
27 upon 100.
what is 0.27? How will you write?
27 upon
27
100.
upon 100.
Yes, no lowest form. Again, these are repeating numbers, so we'll not do these three. 24th one, 0.4 is
2
how much?
upon 5. 2 upon 5.
Correct. 4 upon 10, and when in lowest form, it will
2
be
upon 5.
2 upon 5. Yes. So these are the answers. Now coming to rounding off of decimal numbers. Have you read earlier rounding off? See, when we have now, you
We
know.
have heard of rounding off in whole number, not decimal number.
So similarly, we have to do rounding off in decimals also. What we do in rounding off, the question, okay, Sakleen, yeah, Sakleen has heard. Now what we do in this thing, rounding off, because in decimal you have seen, you have so many digits after decimal. So you cannot write decimal numbers for so long, 10.765892 goes on. Sometimes it is non-terminating also. So you have to write the answer. So what we do, in the question it is mentioned round off to 2 decimal place, round off to 3 decimal place, or round off to 1 decimal place. So that means in the answer you will have only 1 digit. If it is said round off to 2 decimal place, you will have 2 digits after the decimal in the answer. So this way we find out the answer. But how will we find out? What is the method? For example, in the question, if it is asked, round off this decimal to 3 decimal digits. Okay, 3 decimal digits. My answer should be till 5. So I cannot just cut off 3. There is a method. What we do, we will underline the digit and then check the next digit. Okay, so first step is underline the digit which is asked for rounding off. So I'll underline this digit. This one I will underline 3 decimal ke liye, and I'll check the next digit. So next digit, if this digit is less than 5, that means it is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, then my number comes out to be just the same number. The previous number will remain like as it is. 10.765 will be my answer. Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay. Just
I also didn't get it.
Safia, can you make me the host, please?
Yes, ma'am. That's what I was asking you, ma'am.
Yeah. If any chatting is going on in maths class, you will not understand this. And towards the end of the class, if you say that I have not understood, then this is not my problem. Okay. Some of you are chatting right now. I can see. Okay. So please pay attention, because if you will not understand if you don't pay attention over here. These are just simple things I'm teaching you. Okay. So once again, I'm just explaining you this. Suppose my question is 2.7489. Okay. And the question is round off this decimal number to 2 decimal place or 100th place. It can be asked as 100th place or 2 decimal. So 100th place is 4. I'll underline 4. I'll just check the next digit. My next digit is greater than 5. or it can be equal to 5 also.
Ma'am, you will not check the digit that is on the 100th place.
No, not now, not right now. I'll first check it.
Ma'am, so this will become 3.7489.
No, Safia, let me explain first, then you come to answer, okay? So I will check the 100th place digit. I will just underline the 100th place digit and I'll check the next place whether it is greater than equal to 5 or less than 5. So my 8 is greater than 5, okay? 8 is greater than 5. Then this number will be increased by 1. So my answer will be 2.75. 2.75 will be the answer. Is it clear or not? Once again,
Ma'am, I did not understand the second step.
second step, okay. You
After you
Ma'am,
circle the digit after, and you saw if it's greater or less than 5, after that not. After that, what you did?
see, first step, just remember the first step. First step is check the 100th place. If the question is that you have to round off to 100th place, I will just underline the 100th place and make a circle to the right hand digit, okay?
now understood.
Now you check this digit. This digit is greater than 5, equal to 5 or less than 5. So if now in this question, this digit is greater than 5. If this digit is greater than 5, then you will increase this number by 1. The underlined number will be increased by 1 and rest of the number will be replaced by zeros. Or
Ma'am,
you
now understood.
write
Like if you write in hundreds, so we'll
Ma'am,
underline the hundreds place from here, ones, tens, and hundreds. And then if we will underline the 100, and if the number is greater, so we will increase one number, right? Like if
I got
it's
it, ma'am.
2.74,
Suppose my
then it will
question
be
is this.
2.75.
Suppose the same question I have asked, but at 200th place you have to find out.
And the answer would be
Underline.
2.7429.
No, wait. I have to just give me answer. Just give answer till
Ma'am, and what if you
2.73
have to round it to the 100th place?
First, let
In the right hand of the 100th place, there is.
Please be quiet. Let me explain first, then you come with the doubts. Okay. So first case I have explained you when the next digit is greater than 5. When this digit is less than 5, then what happens? This number remain as it is and you get your answer as 2.74. Okay. Is it clear? Now tell me, Amina, what was your doubt?
Ma'am, if you have to find the 100th place, but on the right side of the 100th place there is no number, then what do we have to do?
It will remain as it is. Then you don't need to round off. You already have answer in the question only because they have asked you to round off till 100th place and you have question till 100th place only. So you will leave it as it is. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am,
We'll do some. Yes,
If the
Farhan.
number is greater,
ma'am, I have one doubt. The number 2.7489. So when you will make the number 4, you will make it 5. So then what will happen to the 8 and 9?
I have rounded off this. Why I have made it 5?
Achha.
Because the next digit is greater than 5. So I rounded off these two digits. Because the question is round off to 100th place. Is it clear,
Yes, sir.
Farhana?
Yes, ma'am.
Let
So,
us take some questions.
if
Then only
the
you can
number is bigger, like if we take in 100 place, if the number is bigger than 4, you add one number to
5.
4. Yeah.
4 will become
You
5.
add one
If the
number
number
to
is smaller, it will be a small. It will
The
remain
same
as
answer.
it is. As it is. You will not decrease it. Okay.
Now understood.
Okay. So
Ma'am, how to round off on one decimal place, ma'am?
we will do the same way. Rounding decimal. Now just see. Here. Now see here. What we have done here, you have to round off to 2 decimal. Again, I will underline 2 and check 4. Now 4 is less than 5. So my answer will be just 1.32. Okay, 2 decimal. Here also I have to round off till 100 place. So I will underline 100 place, check 7. 7 is greater than 5. So my 8 becomes 9 and my answer is 0.99. Okay.
Understood. Now understood.
Now see here what happens in this question. Again 2 decimal place I have to check. I have to round off. So I will underline 9 and I will check 7. Now 7 is greater than 5. So increase 9 by 1.
0.
So it becomes 10 and
4.90.
carry goes to 8. So your answer is 4.90. You have to write this 0 because the question is.
And the last one I didn't understand.
Okay, let me.
How did you add that number?
When you add 1 in this number, what will happen? Add 1 here. 9 plus 1 is what?
10.
10. Carry will
So
go.
we have to add it to 7, right?
No, 7 we are checking it. 7 we don't do anything to 7. We are just checking it for greater or smaller. Whatever is done to be done here, 100th place. Okay. Now same number. Suppose same numbers I have to round off to 10th place. Now what I will do? Question is round off to 10th place. So I will underline 10th place and check this number. 2 is greater or smaller than 5?
Smaller.
Smaller. So my answer will be 1.3. 3 remain as it is. And my answer will be till 10th place only. Is it clear? Now what will happen here?
But
0.97. Yeah.
But ma'am, what if it is 5 only? What if the number is 5?
If it's 5, then also you have to increase. Okay. The next number should be 5 or greater than 5. Okay. The next
Why
number.
are we adding in this? Why are we adding 8, 1?
We are
8
rounding
plus 1.
up.
Why can't we add it to 2?
2 because we have to round off to 10th place. When I have to round.
No. In the 100th place, why aren't we adding it to 2? Why are we adding it to 8? Because 9, 10, so 10 ka 1 should come here, right?
No,
ma'am?
see,
And
it
2,
depends
right?
on the question which number you are adding. If the question is rounding off to 100, then you have to underline the 100 and your answer should be till 100. So that is why I am adding to the
So
100
why is your answer 4.90?
here. So you're getting a 0 here.
Here.
After rounding off, you got.
No.
Get
Why did we add 8 over here? 8 plus 1.
where? Which question?
Over here.
Question. Question name. Name the question.
4.89.
Because you had to round off to 100 place. So that is why I have to check the 1000 place, the next digit to 100 place. That is the rule and you have to follow that rule. So when this is 7, means it is 7. It can be 5 also, you will increase 1. It can be 6 also, you will increase 1. It can be 7, 8, 9, you have to increase 1.
Yeah.
But if it is 2, 3, 1, 0, you will make 9 as it is. You will leave 9 as it is. Is it clear?
Yes.
If I round off this to 10th place, what will be my answer? I will underline 9 and I will check 8. Okay. Now 8 is greater than 5.
0.0.
No, you will add 1 to it. Add
So
1.
9 plus 1 is 10, ma'am.
So 1.0 you will get answer.
How come?
Add 0.9 may add 1. So 9 plus 1 is 0. Carry goes to the left hand side. So your answer is 1.0 for rounding off to 10th place. Okay. So do as, see here, nearest 100 you have to round off. Round off to nearest 100. Underline 100 place. Check next digit. Now this 2 is less than 5. So my 6 remain as it is and answer is 1.36. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And 25,
Ma'am.
378. So now again you have to nearest 10th. So 10th underline and check the next digit. Next digit is greater than 5. So this becomes 25.4. Yes, tell me, what is the question? Someone was asking question?
No, ma'am, I got the answer.
Yeah. So let us do some question, then only you will understand because it is little confusing if you do it for the first time.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do the first question. 1.17 to the nearest 10 and give it
1.2. 1.2.
Yes, ma'am. 1.2 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am, 1.2.
1.2. Everyone
I can show it also, ma'am. Because
nearest 10,
7 is bigger than 5.
Check 7. So answer is 1.2.
2.
Next one.
Because 7 is greater than 5.
Yes, 7 is greater than 5. So the answer is 1.2.
10 2. Nearest 100.
2.38.
Ma'am, we'll take.
2.38.
Yeah.
1.3.
But we'll take it
So
from
here,
this side,
here
right?
is 100. So 7 you have to underline, check for 5. When it is 5 also, you have to increase 1. So your answer will be
2.37.
No, 7 you have to
No,
increase
8,
1.
8.
5.
Ah,
Next one,
2.38.
7,000. Farhana, can you tell me the answer? See part.
Ma'am, what if it is greater than 5? You will add it.
0.708.
Greater than 5, you will add.
And what if it is less
Ma'am,
than? You will subtract.
0.70.
No, you don't need to subtract. You have to leave it as it is.
Ma'am, 0.70.
0 point.
70.
70.
Nearest 1000. So,
7088.
so 708 will be the answer.
0.70.
Nearest unit place. Unit is this. So you will check this. What is the answer now?
1, 2,
12.9.
Azam, can you give me the answer for this?
12.9.
12.87 to nearest unit. Unit is your
1, 2.9.
8 is there. So what will do to 2?
Ma'am, 12.9.
No, you don't have to change this circle number. We have to change this number. What will be the answer, Muazzam?
12.9.
This one?
Acha, 2, 2.
Ma'am, 12.
This, let me hear. Yeah, Muazzam, what is the answer?
Nearest unit.
Unit
Ma'am.
means this one.
Ma'am, it should be 13.
Yes, it is 13. Okay, because you will check 2, you will underline 2 and check 8. 8 is greater than 5, so it is 13. Unit place, you will not have any decimal. Now nearest 100. Abdullah, tell me the answer for this. Nearest 100. I will
D,
underline
right?
E. What is that?
Yes.
Ma'am, nearest 100 will be the first number.
Ma'am, it is not nearest
Ma'am,
100.
it is- ma'am,
it is
ma'am.
nearest 100.
Ma'am, it is
Okay,
2.
it is 100,
It is
not
200.
100.
200, ma'am.
100, sorry.
Hundreds, ma'am.
200.
Not 100 is 100.
100 is over
So-
here. Okay.
It will be 200,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
what's the difference between 100 and 100?
After decimal, it is
After
100. And
decimal,
before
see.
decimal, it is 100.
So it is 200.
Ma'am, 200.
Yeah. This is nearest 1000. Ones, tens, 100,000. So underline this 7 and check this thing. What will be the answer? 7,000.
7,000. 7,000.
7.
This is 7,000.
Ma'am, I didn't get E1.
Same.
This one. See, the rules are same, even if it is this thing. I am not getting. What is the last question? Just read the last question. I'm not getting it. I am not able to see.
We are also not able to.
You are also not able to see. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Now it is fine. Okay, let me know.
7478. That.
Ma'am, 7478.
7478 is there, na? So what do we do in 7478?
And still, I can't see the number.
It's okay. I'm writing it over here. 7478. They have asked to round off to nearest 1000. So underline 1000 place and check the next digit. Next digit is 4, which is less than 5. So my rest of the digits become 0 and the
Ma'am, why are we
first
underlining 7? Acha, 100.
because 1000 place is at 7 is at 1000 place, so I have to underline that only, which is given in the question, and rest of the digits become 0 when we are rounding off. So that is why your answer is 7000. Is it clear?
So we put 0. 4 plus 1.
Yeah.
Acha,
No, 4
Ma'am,
plus 1
you
is
said that 4, if it is smaller than 5, the answer is same, na? So why do we
Ma'am,
have
if it,
7,000
ma'am, if it
as
is
the
bigger
answer?
than, if it is bigger than 5, then the answer will be 8,000.
8,000. Yes, if it is 5 also, it will be 8,000. Even if it is 7578, then also the answer will be 8,000. Okay. So can we move to the next slide? Munib, is it clear to you now? Okay. Next one.
No, ma'am.
Now see again, now we will focus more on decimal rounding off only. Okay.
Yes,
Round off each of the nearest, okay, nearest whole number means ones place. Okay. So what will be the answer for ones place? What you will do? You will underline ones place.
And find the value.
Okay.
So 8 will see the 7th place, right? So it will be 8.8 na?
7 is greater or less, Safia?
Greater.
Greater. So you have to increase
So 9 point.
only 9.0. Rest of the numbers we replace by 0. So only 9 will write. You know 9.0 is
But
same.
ma'am, you have to increase the number that is on the right, right?
No,
Yes.
on the left. Right way we don't do anything. Which we have underlined, that digit we have to increase. Okay, that is why we underline that digit. Now here whole number is unit place. What will be the answer in B? Tell me. Next digit is 0.
Ma'am, the answer is 26 only.
Yes, answer is 26. What will be the answer over here?
Ma'am, it is greater na?
Kahan greater? It is 4.
So this will take 6, right? Now it's left.
No. You check next digit. Right hand digit you have to check and increase or
They're taking ones, right, ma'am? So 1 should be 6.
answer is
They're
69.
taking ones.
Okay. Who will give me this answer? Farhana. Is the answer 103.72 to unit place. Whole number you have to round off. 7 is greater or less?
Ma'am, 7 is greater, so it will become 104.
Yes, 104. Next one, Munir, give the answer for next one, 49.84. What is the answer? What is the answer? Amina, did you get the answer?
I'm doing it.
Ma'am,
50. 50.
Yes.
Ma'am, 50.
Yes.
It will be only 50.
Yes, only 50. Now next one. What will be the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
F. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 50, no.
So is done. Next one. Amina, can you do the next one?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
101 only.
Yes, 101. 39.84. Mudabbir, what will be the answer for 39.84?
Ma'am, 40. 40, ma'am.
Yes, 40. And next one, last one, 1.23.
1.
Only 1. Okay. Now doing the decimals, other questions. Round off 3.153 to the nearest 10th. Amina, which digit I'll underline? I have to round off to nearest 10th. Which digit I'll
Ma'am,
underline?
you will underline 1.
No. Okay, yes. 10th, hai na? Fine. 1. Which digit I'll circle? Amina, which digit I'll circle?
You'll circle 3.
No, not. I will circle 5. I will check 5. Okay. Okay. 3.153. So what will be my answer now? Mudabbir, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, it will be 3.2.
Yes, the answer will be 3.2 because 5 is there. So you have to increase this number. Now next one. Next one, who will answer? Sakleen, which question answer you're giving me? 5. I'm doing B part, not third part. Okay. So B part 10.126. Munir, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the
100.
the A1, you said that
10.
we have to circle
10.
the digit that is on the left. Then why did you circle 5?
No, you have to circle the right digit, but increase or decrease this digit on the left hand side.
Ma'am, 10.
10.
10.1, I mean.
No, which digit you will underline?
Ma'am, 2.
2.
Abdullah, what are you asking? I didn't understand.
Ma'am, underline 1.
What is going on in chat? I'm getting so disturbed with this. Wait. Yeah. Let me
Ma'am,
find this.
1.
Okay, nearest 100th. Who will answer?
Ma'am, underline 1.
No.
No, underline 2.
100th place.
Underline 2
Check.
and circle 6.
Okay. Now, what will be the answer, Safia? 6 is greater or smaller?
Greater, ma'am.
So, what will happen to 2?
3.
So answer is 10.13. Okay, Amina, now see, do the next question. 5.0014 to nearest 1000. Which digit is at 1000th place?
1.
1. So I'll underline 1. Which digit I'll check? The right
4.
hand.
4.
Digit. 4. 4 is less
So,
or
ma'am, the answer would
than
be
5? Tell me
4
answer.
is less than 5.
So my answer will be what?
5.001.
Your answer will be 5.00.
001 will also be there. Because
5.001.
till here I have to write. Okay. Now nearest 10th.
5.
Farhana, nearest 10th. 5.992 to the nearest 10.
Ma'am, it will be 6, na?
Because 9 is greater, so you will add 9 plus 1 becomes 0 and carry over goes
5.00.
6.09 0 only.
only 0. This you will
So
not.
ma'am, it will be okay if we only write 6 also, na?
No, because they have asked 10th, so I have to write 0 in the 10th place.
Okay.
Okay, nearest 100th. Mudabbir, what will be the answer? Which digit I'll underline, Mudabbir?
Ma'am, 0.
Yes. Which digit I'll check?
5.
5. So 5 equal 5. So I have to, what will happen to 0 here?
It will become 21.81.
Yes, answer will be 21.81. The last one, Muazzam, you give me the last one. 3.1089, nearest 1000. Which digit I'll underline?
Ma'am, 9.
1.
Why 9?
No, sorry, ma'am. 8.
Yeah, 8. And I'll circle this 9. Now what will be my answer for this?
Ma'am, 3.109.
3.109 because 9 is greater than 5, so I have to increase 8 by 1. So this is the method that we'll be doing for rounding off. This is a very simple topic, but you have to just remember the rule which we do in earlier
Yes, ma'am.
questions. Okay, some more question. 23.37 correct to 1
Ma'am.
decimal place. Yeah.
There was someone named Dot in the meeting.
That person left.
Was non-stop chatting with me, non-stop sending messages.
Who?
I don't know.
Yes, ma'am, that person was chatting with me also. He was telling hi, which school you are.
Okay, I didn't see. Just tell me, so that I will remove that person.
That's why I was sending you.
I was not understanding what you were telling to remove it. I didn't see that person. Okay. Actually, I'm not the host today, na, Safia?
No, ma'am, you are the host.
I'm the host. Okay. Next time, whenever anybody observes someone unknown in the group, please tell me that time only. Directly you can say so that I'll remove it. Okay?
Yes, sir, it was Safiya Ahmed, yes.
Safia,
Yes, ma'am, she keeps on coming in our class.
But we don't know who she
and
is,
how
ma'am.
she
We
gets
don't
the
know.
code.
We don't know who she is.
Ma'am, she said that I got it from my school.
Okay. Or some session she would have attended. Or she's getting that. So whenever you get it, na, just inform me.
Ma'am, you just remove her.
I didn't see till now. That is why I was thinking. You should tell me, no? 23.37 correct to 1 decimal place. Tell me. 1 decimal means I have to underline the 1 decimal. I have to check this. Okay. Now what will be the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, 23.4.
Yes, 23.4 is the answer. Next one, correct to 3 decimal places. So which digit I'll underline? Abdullah, which digit I'll underline? 3 decimal places के लिए.
Zero, ma'am.
The last zero, the third place zero.
Yes.
And which digit I'll check?
So it will be 1.20.
So I will have to write to 3 decimals, because they have asked 3 decimals, so I have to put 2 zeros. Okay, 2 decimal. Amina, which digit I'll underline? 2 decimal places.
5.
Yes, this 5. And which digit I'll check? Next to it.
5.
So what will be my answer now?
7.65.
No, decreasing we don't do. Always keep as it is or increase. When the number which I have underlined, that number will change only. So 7.76 will be the answer, because even if it is 5 or more than 5, your number will get increased, the underlying number. Okay, 9.99 correct to 1 decimal. Mudabbir, which digit I'll underline?
9.
9.
First 9 and second 9 I'll check. So what will be the answer?
Now it will be 10. 10.0.
10.0 will be the answer. Yes. 3 decimal place. Farhana, which digit I'll underline? E part. 2, 3, 4, 5. Which digit I'll underline?
3.
Ma'am, we'll underline 3.
3 decimal place. How many
No,
decimal?
we'll underline 4 and circle 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the
So
answer?
it will become 101.235.
Yes. 2, 3, 5. This is the answer. Okay. 121.513. Correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, Safia.
1 to 1.51, ma'am.
1 to 1 point?
5-1.
5.1.
Yes, because 1 you will underline and 3 is smaller. So answer is 1 to 1.51. Humera,
Ma'am, what if there is 0 over here?
which digit you will underline?
0.
4 decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Which digit you will check? 3.
3.
So what will be the answer, Safia?
Me. The answer is, ma'am, 1.0020. Same answer, ma'am.
Yes, same answer. 3 will be gone. Correct to 2 decimal places, 301.081. So which digit, Amina,
1.
which digit I'll underline?
1.
2 decimal. It is 2 decimal. Think of
0,
it.
ma'am. 0.
8.
2 decimal is 8. Second decimal is 8. 1 I will check. So what will be the answer now, Amina?
301.091.
No, 08 only. 1 is smaller than this thing.
Yes.
5. So the number remain as it is. See, always remember when the checking digit is smaller than 5,
Ma'am?
the previous digit remain as it is.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what if all the numbers are 0?
So 0 only you will get. Yeah. Who
Shruti
is
ma'am.
asking?
Shruti ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
That person joined in again.
Yes, ma'am.
They
And
left.
the person left.
Left, it's not visible to me.
Ma'am, they left.
Achha,
It was the same person, ma'am.
Okay.
She messaged me and then she left.
What did she message? Which school you are in?
No, now something else.
Okay.
I just joined this class again to say that will you join at 1 please? Because even I have a class now. So I'll join at that time.
Ignore. Okay, 0.3446. Correct to 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal is which number? 4?
4.
And check 6. What will be the answer now?
0.4.
3 and what should be the next digit?
7.
7 कैसे होगा? 4 plus 1 is 5 ना?
अच्छा.
6 is greater than 5.
yeah.
So 4 plus 1 is 5. I have to write
0.345.
Now tell me, 1 decimal I have to do. Farhana, last answer. Give me the last answer. What will be the answer? 1 decimal, I
Five.
have underlined 9.
Ma'am, can I say
10.9.
Yes,
10.9.
ma'am.
10.95?
No, 10.9 only.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
What is the answer?
9 5. No, no, 5.
Decimal, 1 decimal. Always remember 1 decimal. So I have underlined. I have checked.
Acha.
1 decimal. Always remember 1 decimal.
Who is there?
Mema.
Okay. That is why, Farhana, your camera is off today. Okay, so that's all for us. Fine. Is it clear? Please, revise this rounding off. Okay. If you can see the recordings, just revise it and practice the questions at home, because there is an exercise in the book also for rounding off. That I'll give you homework for the next class. But for now, you do exercise 3.3 only. Fine. Okay, so see you on Friday for the next maths class. Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.